When you're ready for a formal process to release and revise designs, 3DEXPERIENCE scales up with you. You're going to want to partner with a reseller to plan and implement the specific details. In this video, we're going to cover some high-level concepts and ideas so you can start thinking about your needs and be ready to talk with them. Revisions help companies track changes to a product along with its history. Under Store and Revise, we went through a simple revision example. There are more options in 3DEXPERIENCE where you can use a primary and secondary revision scheme and alphanumeric or numeric revisions. You can also track and set access rights using maturity states and life cycles. The 5 states shown here in the engineering definition maturity graph are going to meet the needs of the vast majority of clients, and they're not meant to be customized. That's where change actions, issues, and routes can be tailored to a specific design process and take care of more complex situations. If you just used revisions and maturity states, you'd be successfully managing your data in 3DEXPERIENCE. Change actions help capture all the information related to your data management, and they're the core mechanism to track and ensure traceability on things like signatures, documents, and metadata that are all part of a change. Change actions also allow only the assigned people access to making the design change or granting approval once complete. Revision and maturity state changes are also handled under the change action, so you can be sure that the proper process is followed each time. Shortcuts and skipped steps are the source of the biggest problems that you have when you don't use a formal system. If required, the change process can be expanded further so that anyone in the company can start what's called an issue related to the SolidWorks design, and that issue can then drive the change action. They're a great way for anyone in a company to capture and document an issue related to a design and then share that information directly with the people or departments that are responsible for getting it taken care of. And if you have more complex sign-off requirements, like maybe you have multi-step or parallel sign-off procedures, routes can be configured to handle that. As I said to kick this off, it really helps to partner with a reseller to get things set up and go through some training. Now you should have a basic understanding of the way things work, and you're one step closer to a better managed and controlled process with 3DEXPERIENCE and cloud services.